Good morning, everybody. Very good morning. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 9, that is sentence and kinds of sentences. Actually, from today, generally all the other teachers used to teach the grammar from today's lesson. But we had gone for 8 lessons already, and today is 9th lesson. I have already given the notes of this lesson, lesson number 9, are scripted in the book. Somebody's notes I have copied and already sent to your WhatsApp group. And also, one more thing I want to tell you is on the other day, my well-wisher, one of the well-wishers, Srimati Sheila Gurumurthy, who inspired me about 37 years back at Joe when she was the secretary of Ladies Club to start teaching grammar. And since then I used to teach the grammar all the way for period of 33 years. 33 years. This is 33rd year I am teaching this language. During 1987, that was the first teaching to the English medium school, KPC English medium school students, for which her daughter was one of the students, and now their grandchildren are coming up, and they are in need of this type of learning. They are requesting like anything to teach their grandchildren also. Likewise, and she asked some doubts regarding the lesson syllabus. Why in syllabus I have mentioned some words: permission, inspection, all these words I have used. You see, permission, there is a stress in the middle vowel, me, therefore you have to use SSION. Determination, there is a vowel behind it, NA is there, therefore there is no stress. At that time you have to use TION. And also in other SION, tension. Tension is there is no tension at the end of the word, pronouncing at the end of the word. Shan, that's all. Tension, pincher. N almost you are pronouncing or not. At that time you will use SION. The details of which has been given as a notes to you. Please note down somewhere in the notes itself where to use SSION, where to use SION, where to use TION. All these three things. Therefore, in detail I have given you. For this, Mr. Ravindra sir, who is diploma in Oxford University English, gave me advice, and I took his advice also, and the things have been narrated in your group notes written by me, copied by me. Snapshot is there, already given today morning, and you might have referred. Somebody was asking, what is that sir, what is that sir, what is that sir? Now I am giving answer. You should read first that one, where we have to use shan, where we have to use TION, where you have to use SION. A very good question by our well-wisher Srimati Gurumurthy. Thank you. You should thank to Ravindra sir and also Srimati Sheila Gurumurthy, who inspired me on that day, that is 33 years back, to teach this lesson. Thank you very much. Now we will go to sentence. Sentence. You see, sentence and kinds of sentences today. I have focused the camera today a little bit more towards the board, because my presence may be or may not be necessary, but you have to refer the board correctly. That is very important. Now, you see, first sentence, goes Rama school to. Is this a sentence? Everybody will ask. And somebody will say, yes sir, this is also a sentence. No, this is not a sentence. It is just words have been put there. Jumbled words have been put there. Some jumbled words have been put there. Therefore, this is not a sentence always. What then? This is sentence. Is this a sentence? Yes, this is sentence. Everything is in order. First comes subject, second comes verb, and then comes object as per the English law. Therefore, this is a sentence. This is not a sentence. Everybody will say this is also a sentence. The words are not put correctly. No, you have learned words. You are now learning the sentence. That's very important. Rama goes to school. This is not a sentence, but this is a sentence. Then what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives complete meaning. A sentence is a group of words which gives complete meaning. Very important. Sampurna artha koduva padagala gumpu is called as sentence always. That is very important. Just padagala gumpu is not enough. ಪದಗಳ ಗುಂಪು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಜಂಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ once again we will say sense. Sense means, note down there, sense means meaning. Sense means what? Meaning. Therefore we tell in future we use this word more and more. That is, sense means meaning. A sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense. We tell. That's why note that sense word, that is very important in grammar. Therefore, then we will come to kinds of sentences. The first sentence, Rama goes to school. Somebody in the neighborhood asks your mother whether your Rama going to school today. Yes, she says Rama goes to school today. It is a declaration. She is declaring something that your mother Rama goes to school today. That is a declaration that definitely he will go to school. Or asserts. She declares something or asserts. A-S-S-E-R-T-S. Something is called as assertive sentence. Assertive or declarative. All are sentences. These are all sentences. Different kinds of sentences. You see, what is your name? The second sentence. Ask a question. Here we use full stop, assertive sentences. Here we use question mark, interrogation mark. This is called as interrogation mark. INTERROGATIO, interrogation mark. This is an interrogative sentence. A question, a sentence which asks a question is called as interrogative sentence. What are the words which are asking questions? What, where, when, why, who, which, whom, whose, and how. All these 5W and 1H, 5W and 1H are used for asking questions. Even are, is, am, have, had, has. All these things are used for asking questions. But main is W. W is very important. What, where, when, why, which, who, how, all these things. What is your name? This is called as interrogation mark. A sentence which asks a question is called as interrogative sentence. The third one is interrogative. The third one is go and bring a cup of coffee. Somebody is ordering, maybe your teacher is ordering, Rama, go there and bring a cup of coffee. It is an order. It is an order. Ordering, the sentence is ordering something to somebody. Therefore, it is called as imperative sentence. This is, please give me your pencil. This is another way of thinking. Please bring me a cup of coffee. She may tell your teacher, please give me your book. This is order. This is request. Therefore, they are called as imperative sentence. Order or request is called imperative sentence. And then last one is, hurrah, we have won the match. You won the match, cricket match, football match, kabaddi, or some such thing like that. Then what you will say? Hurrah, we have won the match. We are the winners. You will say that hurrah is used in sentence of exclamatory type sentence, and hurrah is called interjectory word. We use interjectory word. This is 8th parts of speech. In future you are going to learn interjectory word. This is called as interjectory word. Ayyo, appa, amma, hurrah, aha, ho. All these things are interjectory words. There is no meaning for that, dear children. No meaning for that. for some sorrow or joy. Hurrah! We have won the match. We have won the match with exclamatory. Exclamatory. This is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Therefore, there are four kinds of sentences. Generally, they are assertive or declaration, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. I will repeat everything. A sentence. A sentence is a group of words which gives complete meaning or complete sense. How many kinds of sentences are there? There are four kinds of sentences. They are assertive or declarative. A sentence which asserts or declares something is called as an assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence which asks a question is called as an interrogative sentence. A sentence which orders something or requests something is called as an imperative sentence. A sentence which shows some sudden feeling. Appa, rakta nodtire, you are observing blood there. Appa, you will tell. Ayyo, you will tell. That is interjectory word. That such words are used in exclamatory sentence. Therefore, there are four kinds of sentences. Other than these four kinds of sentences, we are having three more kinds of sentences. There, Sita is singing a song. Yes, it is optimistic way of it. Definitely, Sita is singing a song today. Sita is singing a song. Our Sita is singing a song today. It is affirmative. Definitely she will sing. That is an affirmative. Ashavada, optimistic or positive mode of action is called affirmative. Positive mode of action is called as affirmative. Then, Sita is not singing a song. Sita is not singing a song today. Sita is nowhere here. Nobody is singing a song. Nobody, no, not. Nobody, no, not. These are the words used for, this is affirmative, this is negative sentence. Third one is wishing something. You see, you are all celebrating birthdays with chocolate, bouquets and other things in the school. Therefore, happy birthday to you. Everybody will tell happy birthday to you. Blessings, Ashirvada, and wishes. Blessings and wishes are culminated in optative sentence. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. This is the third type of sentence. Optative, we call it as. Therefore, other than four kinds of sentences, we have got three more kinds of sentences. These three are coming for assertive sentence only. The first one only. This is the grouping. This is the grouping. First one only. Therefore, other than four kinds of sentences in English, there are three more kinds of sentences. One is affirmative, second one is negative, third one is optative. These still belong to assertive or declarative only. Therefore, we have learned what is a sentence today. I have given you the notes. Read the notes carefully, copy the notes carefully. Don't forget to write 2 pages of copywriting every day as per the specification I instructed. That is very important. Therefore, all these things you have to do it in homework. Here there is no time to say more things. Therefore, thank you very much. Thank you today. Tomorrow's lesson is lesson number 10, subject and predicate. Thank you very much.